Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 3 best back and core exercises for lower back pain. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Lower back pain is the most common reason people see a doctor. Lower back pain, as it is obvious, occurs in the lower back. Lower back pain has a wide variety of reasons and causes. According to the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, at least 80% of people experience back pain during their lifetime. Fortunately, back pain is preventable and treatable. There are several ways you can ease your back pain, and in this video, we are going to be sharing with you 3 of the best exercises and stretches to reduce lower back pain. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. With the approval of your doctor, adding these movements to your daily routine can get you out of daily pain in the lower back and will improve your overall health. Here are some ways to treat lower back pain symptoms. Follow these instructions to do safe exercises. Number 1. Bridge. Bridge movement has many benefits for easing lower back pain symptoms. This exercise aids strengthening the back muscles, such as the muscles behind the thighs, serine muscles, transverse muscles of the abdomen, and pelvis. This exercise also directly affects strengthening the back. Follow these steps to ensure a safe bridging exercise. Lie on your back, bend your knees, so that only the heels can be lifted. Your upper back should have contact with the ground. Raise the pelvis, until the shoulders, hips, and knees are in a straight line. Hold for about 6 seconds. Slowly return the pelvis to the ground and rest for about 10 seconds. Repeat bridging 8 to 12 times. There are a few things to keep in mind when bridging. First, be careful not to bend your back when moving your pelvis up. Second, avoid excessive curvature. You can do this by holding the abdomen tight, before lifting and during it. Number 2. Pelvic Shift. Lie on your back for a few pelvic shifts before your back pain causes you to twist because of the usual symptoms. This exercise is designed to strengthen the pelvis, which often works in coordination with the muscles along the spine. Ensuring proper abdominal functions means eliminating one of the reasons for possible lower back pain. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Place the soles of your feet on the floor. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle, keep both knees together, and keep it in mind while you are doing this move, your knees shouldn't be separated. Then rotate your both knees to the right until your right knee touches the ground. Do the exact move for the left side. Perform this movement for 10 seconds and allow the inhalation and exhalation to be constant in the chest. Repeat these 8 to 12 times. Number 3. Lying hamstring stretch. This stretch is one of the most useful stretches to ease lower back pain. To do this easy and beneficial stretch, you should bring your knees so close to your chest. To perform it properly, you should lie on your back. Place the soles of your feet on the floor and bend your knees. Pull the right leg towards the chest. Keep your left foot on the ground. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Meanwhile, be careful with your waist to be kept on the ground. Then, lower your right knee. Repeat this with the left foot. Repeat this exercise 2 to 4 times for each leg. Having lower back pain is really annoying. It prevents you from doing your daily activity, and it may get worse and worse if you neglect it. So, when you feel chronic pain, pay attention to it because no pain occurs without reason. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.